Hey everyone, this is Daniel Kaiser, the creator and co-founder of Favslist here to personally welcome the Project Spark community over to Favslist, which is a new social platform that, as the name suggests, is all about your favorite things, from video games to movies to books to whatever you can think of. That's what Favslist is all about. And of course, if you're watching this right now, then Project Spark is likely one of your favorite things. So I wanted to give you a brief introduction on how to get started with the community page and also how to get your projects and creations into the database so that they could be ranked, recommended, and shared by the community. So first things first, what you're looking at here is the Project Spark beta page for favslist.com/Project Spark. Very simple. And this is where you'll come to follow Project Spark on Favslist. Right here, you'll be able to click that and follow. And obviously, that will give you an opportunity to get all the updates and communicate with the page. The first 5,000 people who follow the page will be in the group First Sparks, which will give Team Dakota the ability to recognize the first 5,000 members and communicate directly with them. Of course, after that, anybody can join the voluntary groups that we have set up for the PC players, Xbox One players, and Xbox 360 players of Project Spark. So if you're playing on one of those particular platforms, you'll probably want to join these voluntary groups, as Team Dakota will have the ability to send you platform-specific messages based on your experience with the game and get some feedback from you for those different platforms and how Project Spark is evolving there. So in a nutshell, this is a lot like a Facebook page in that you'll be able to get updates and communicate, but you'll also be able to get more specific information based on your relationship with Project Spark. Of course, one of the big things we want to do is give the community the ability to create their, upload their own creations to be ranked, rated, and recommended throughout the Project Spark community. And I wanted to show you how to do that right now. So basically, I've come across this pretty cool looking game. I believe it's pronounced Rius, R-I-U-S, and I want to show you how we would add that to the database. We already have a ton of Project Spark games in the database for you to interact with, but if you want to add your own project, this is how you're going to do it. So basically, on Favslist, you could just type the name of the game or game world or creation right into the top of the search bar. If it's not already created, you'll see the ability to create this page. So we're going to click Create this page, and you'll notice that we do have a Project Spark creation quick link right here. So all you're going to need to do is click that right there. So basically type the name in, and then come here to Project Spark creation. Then you'll hit Next. And basically, this is obviously something that's already been populated on Wikipedia. So we're going to just delete that and put this as Project Spark creation as the description of this. And I've taken a screenshot of Rius already to be able to put as a picture. So we're going to upload that. And if we want to add some more information, we'll click that checkbox and confirm. But already the name of the game, the picture are in the database and ready to roll. We're going to come over to this page for Rius right here and select Video Game Level, because that's how it's been designated with the Project Spark quick link. And we'll put the type of user created. And we're going to assign this to Project Spark. So it says right here, which game is that level from? And right here, we will just type in Project Spark. And you can see that it becomes available right there. And then you want to make sure that once you've selected it, that you confirm it by clicking that blue box right there, or circle. And then down here, you could put in the level name or creator. So we can see right here that the creator is Q Ragnarok P. So we're going to put that in. Q Ragnarok P, and then we will update that page, and that is all that you need to do. This is ready to go, and it is assigned as a Project Spark level. And you can see that the level creator is listed here. If you want, you could edit this page to include YouTube clips of the creation in action. As a moderator, we will approve these pages once they are in the database. At this point, you can see it, but the community won't be able to see it until we approve it and have it ready to go. But that should be a quick process. And what happens with that is then this page will be added to the selectable items that we could rank. So one of the things that you'll want to see be active from the Project Spark community, if you go over to lists, this will be promoted, I'm sure, on the Project Spark page. But if you browse lists and go to gaming, you'll see that we have a Project Spark creations list already created. And things are already starting to get ranked by the community. But basically, this is a very simple process. You can see in real time, Castles and Catapults right now is #1. Guilty All the Same is ranked by 2 people. But this is a great way for discovering what's hot, what is new, and getting your creation up there. So you'll definitely want to encourage your friends and family to upvote your Project Spark creation and move it on the list. And the way they do that, once you're on this list, you just click this Make Your List Now. And basically, this is where you would drop everything in. This is my personal list right here. #1 is going to get the most amount of points. #5 will get the least amount of points, but they all do get points and will be populated in the Project Spark list, which will ebb and flow, of course, over time. And you can see that here are a lot of the projects that are already uploaded to the site. Let's find Rias, since we just added that in. You can see it's already populated in here, even though I just added it. And you would just take that and drag it over there. And now I've made that #5, and you can see that it updates here, and it instantly updates and impacts the rankings. So down here, I could click to see how it's changed the list. Obviously, with 1 vote, it's not going to move Rias up too high, but it does give me an opportunity to use my social influence to get it up there at #20 already. And obviously, we can make that a lot higher with some momentum. So if you are a creator, you definitely want to encourage that. But there's a quick little overview of how Project Spark works on Favslist. We look very much forward to having the Project Spark community involved with Favslist and using our platform to be able to discover new projects and also get your projects ranked high and recommended by the community so that you could enjoy Project Spark and have a good time with the game and both Favslist at the same time. Thanks so much, and if you have any questions, I'm sure the Team Dakota team will be happy to help you out, as will we. We'll look for messages on the page and we'll go from there. Thanks so much, gang. Take care.